In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Zoom to Stan Store. Connecting Zoom to your Stan Store is really helpful if you offer live calls, coaching sessions, or webinars, because it lets Stan automatically create Zoom meetings for your customers. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what you're seeing along the way, so nothing feels confusing. First, log into your Stan Store account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. When the Settings page opens, look at the tabs along the top of the screen and select the one called Integrations. This is where you can connect different tools to your Stan Store, including Zoom. On the Integrations page, scroll until you find the Zoom card. It should clearly say Zoom, and at the bottom of that card, you'll see a button that says Connect. Click on the Connect button. This tells Stan Store that you want to link your Zoom account. The page will now reload and take you to a Zoom sign-in screen. Here, you'll need to sign into your Zoom account. Enter your email address and your Zoom password, then click the Sign In button. If you prefer, you can also log in using other available options, such as single sign-on or third-party logins like Apple, Google, Facebook, or Microsoft, depending on what you normally use for Zoom. The important thing is that you're signing into the same Zoom account you want connected to your Stan Store. Once you've signed in, wait for the page to reload again. Now you'll see a screen where you manage app permissions. This page is basically Zoom asking what Stan Store is allowed to do with your account. Look for the checkbox next to the line that says, "Allow this app to use my shared access permissions." Make sure you tick or check that box. This step is important because it allows Stan Store to properly create and manage Zoom meetings on your behalf. After checking the box, click the Allow button to confirm. Give it a moment for the page to reload one more time. You'll be redirected back to your Stan Store account. At this point, you should see a confirmation message or pop-up at the top of the screen indicating that the integration was successful. Once you see that, you're all set. Your Zoom account is now linked to your Stan Store and ready to use for your offers and appointments.